Hi guys, it's Cats from K-Cats Arts. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you to everybody that has subscribed so far. If you haven't, link below and also hit the notification bell so that you know when I post my next videos. Follow us on Instagram at K-Cats Arts as well, and you'll see an array of photos or pictures that I've done, drawings and that kind of stuff that I normally don't post here on YouTube. So, today's video, happy Easter! I hope everybody had a great Good Friday and that everybody was able to celebrate with their families. Unfortunately for me, I'm kind of under the weather, but I wanted to do this with you guys and send out my love that way. So happy Easter to my family and friends. I'm sorry I wasn't able to come down and be with you guys today, but that's how it is sometimes. But I managed to draw this little guy. Can you see him? So super cute. I really enjoyed doing it. So if you want to follow along and see how I did this and the process and the coloring and all that kind of fun stuff, watch the video below. And if you are interested in your own Huion, I know I did a video about it and I'm going to keep on talking about it on probably almost every single video, the HS610. If you haven't seen that video, take a look at my list. That digital tablet is amazing. So get yours, okay? But yeah, thank you for all your love. If you are interested in being featured in one of my videos, leave a comment below of what you would like to see done next. It could be anything. I'm open to anything in drawing, anything at all. And if you want to send your art, send it over to K-Cats Arts on Instagram or even by email at kcatsarts@gmail.com. I had to remember because I don't email myself. So yeah, stay tuned and watch the video. And happy Easter once again, guys. Have a great and safe holiday. Thanks. Bye.